Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to share one small important update about Liberty Shoes. It has given a breakout after almost 9-10 years. 2014 it made a candle here, and this candle is today being tested again, and I believe it has given a breakout in a shorter time frame. Let me see a 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, it is giving a breakout. So excellent opportunity. Footwear industry is about to grow in India, and this is where we will be taking position 353, whatever is a price right now. Keep a stop loss of 3-4 points below, but I don't think it will come. It will shoot up. Even if it is coming, so you have a stop loss there. Few more stocks, very important stocks, they are doing great right now. I have already mentioned in my Telegram channel. It is easier to give information on Telegram rather than make a video. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, guys, link will be there in the description. Please join it, and I will give a video once this trade is closed. Yeah, thank you, guys.